Hello Rover fans, this is a apology for my failure to do videos and update people on this very long-winded project. For those of you who've been watching kind of on and off right from the start, it's probably quite annoying to see progress being made on the car, or actually not seeing progress being made on the car, and yet it progressing. Basically, it is now Saturday 15th of March, and the NEC Classic and Restoration show, for which the car was supposed to be finished, my own deadline, not set by anyone else, but it's setting up day on Thursday, and then the show opens on Friday. Is open Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The plan was to have the car done and MOT'd and driven up there, but that's not happening, so it's going on the trailer, and you will see that whilst I have been busy, it's still a long way from being finished. This is a kind of explanation type video. Basically, it went back once to the body shop to have a couple of issues addressed with the bonnet and the roof and the tailgate and the doors. But since then, other things have kind of happened with it, and there's not enough time to get it back up to the body shop up north, so I've had to get someone else to repaint the bonnet, which is still with them being painted and polished. The roof is basically done. It is much nicer than it was before, so I'm really happy with that. Doors are really good. Tailgate, meh, not the best, but it'll do for the moment. And then what I have done is finished the seats. The front passenger seat had to also be rebuilt, probably even more comprehensively than the other one. It had a new panel put in down this side, which is joined in up there. Let me try and show that in a bit better. So you can see the join there. Basically, this is the seat where somebody had decided to melt a cigarette lighter into it. The base, this panel here is new. That's been joined back there. It's really hard to get this fabric in the right sort of colours, but it's had a less sympathetic but more pragmatic repair down here. Basically, the fabric had rotted, but it's all together now. Last night I was going through the electrics, got all of the electric windows and central locking working. The electric mirrors now work. Happy with all of that. Headlights work. Got a new air cleaner, which didn't really need, but it was reasonably priced, let's say, and it has nice shiny buckles and a nice Unipart sticker, so I thought the car deserved that. Fiberglass dash binnacle top, which I will prepare, cover in vinyl and recolour. Talking of recolouring, this is the new door card for the driver's side. That needs recolouring, but I've realised that the weather strip that would seal to the glass and go along there, this bit, is missing, or it's damaged on that one, so trying to pick that off is going to be very tricky. What else? Handbrake works, brakes work, it runs and drives. It just needs all of this final assembly, which is going to take quite a few hours, and there's not much time left, so it's going to be a bit of a rush. But anyway, thanks for watching. I will probably upload more detailed videos like out of order, but that's all you're getting for the moment. Bye. Postscript. There's me tripping over more stuff. It's been a long day. It appears as if absolutely nothing has been achieved, but I assure you it has. It's just all the fiddly annoying stuff that you don't think of, like sill trim covers and irritating nuts and bolts and trims and bits and pieces like that. A big thank you to Chris Parmenter, hopefully I pronounced that correctly, but he provided this lovely new radiator support bracket, which I had a crappy one that I painted up but never looked very good, so that's on there, so thank you very much, Chris. The air feed pipe going into the airbox is done. The new airbox is there. Rerouted that. I re-welded the bracket. I fitted my new engine lifting bracket, only to remember that I had some of the P-clips re-zinc passivated because I had a spare engine, so I took some of the engine bits and pieces off and had them coated, so that can be replaced along with this one down there, just to make it all look a little bit more blingy. But slowly catchy monkey. My neighbour again came round to continue working on the roof, and that is basically flawless. He's still got a bit more carbon work to do on here and polishing, but he finished his polishing thing. These are devices I never knew existed, carbon block kits. I won't get it out, but you can see in there it's like a, I don't know how to describe it, a block which in itself has a consistent grit throughout. So there's a 800, 1200 and 1500 I think, and you use that to nib off any imperfections ahead of polishing. So he uses a tungsten to chip off any sort of crap, then the carbon blocks, works its way through the grits and then polishes it, and you end up with beautiful paintwork, which is very nice indeed. So anyway, that's what will be continuing to happen. I'll upload this so at least you have something to watch, and yeah, back to it.